Guy, Ian, we're here today talking about engineered doors, which is quite strange because I would say, Guy, you're definitely known in the industry for selling glass for composite doors. What's changed?
Nothing's really changed, Richard. We are a supplier of decorative components to the window and the glass industry. And over the years, we've evolved from being a supplier of lead films and bevels through to finished glass products, aluminium glazing sets for the composite door market, and our paint division. So we were a very broad business manufacturing decorative components. The latest division or part of the business, the engineered doors components, is a natural evolution for us. We have had a lot of customers who probably know us best for our glass business saying, we want to start making these engineered PVC doors. Can you supply glass for us? Which we're obviously happy to do. It then evolved from there into people saying, we'd like to have some panel options and we'd like these doors look more like traditional timber doors. So we've put together a range of products to embellish a PVC door into making it look like a timber or an aluminium door. One of the big drivers in this market for engineered doors, as we call them, has been installers and fabricators saying we want to take control of manufacturing our door, and they've now got the technology and the products to make a really good looking door. We have mechanical joints are very commonly used throughout the industry. It's that sort of timber joinery look, but probably the biggest single factor was the growth in foils. There's some incredible foil colours out there now. If they look like genuine timber, look like aluminium, there's a huge range. Now that you've got this colour option, it makes the PVC door sort of can reinvent itself again and come back to the market. And that's really where we've one of the reasons why we've worked quite closely with Ian at Aluplast, because that's one of our core competencies.
So, Ian, how do you fit into this vision?
Yeah, it's. Thank you for having me, by the way, Richard. It's a pleasure to be here. I think really where Auplast come in is with colours and the different foil colours that we have. We've been, I think it's fair to say, one of the leaders in promoting different colours, different textures into the foil finishes at Auplast in the past few years, with the introduction of our Aludeck range and our Woodeck range. These are sort of textured, more matte finished foils going onto the windows and creating a look that looks very much like aluminium or very much like timber, as it suggests. So we see it with RegaLead at sort of a natural fit with the engineered door, because what we're creating here now is what perhaps was seen in the past as more of a commercial looking door to something that's very aesthetic, very attractive, and it makes PVC look like wood or aluminium. I mean, when was the last time anything exciting happening with a PVC door is the question. And I've been showing this now to probably about 10 or 15 of our customers, and I have to say everyone is receiving it saying, yeah, I want that. I want that. My customers will want that.
So how does the partnership work between you?
It's called a partnership or a collaboration. Both businesses are very specialist in what we do, and we are known for our decorative products. Aluplast is known for top quality European style profile systems. There is a partnership is together we're trying to create a solution. We need the likes of Auplast with the incredible foils that they've got to show off our products to the best. That's why as a launch partner, we chose worked with Auplast. We have We both we have a common goal.
Yeah, a common goal.
There's a common goal. You know, we need to be speaking to fabricators. We need to be creating product that looks incredible. These engineered doors. Aluplast has the quality fabricator network, and they have a desire to work with us. And in any partnership, you have to have two willing partners to make it work. And absolutely, last year we've worked with Ian and the team at Aluplast. It has been a great collaboration. We've bounced ideas off each other, technically, aesthetically, how we're going to do the marketing. So it has been a very close relationship with the businesses over the last year to get us to the point we are today.
Ian, how do you see it from your side of the partnership?
I see it as a great opening for our fabricators to get into a new market with a new product, but not only that, get into it very, very simply. Because when you actually break it down from a fabricator's point of view, you're making a PVC door, and that's it. You're literally making a PVC door. The add-on, if you like, very, very simply, is coming from RegaLead, and it's literally as easy as supplying your glass sizes to a glass company. Same sort of thing. Send your information to RegaLead, that pack comes to you, you put it all together, and you end up with a fantastic door.
So, Guy, this package, how are you changing engineered doors?
The products, very simply, we have a range of decorative glass. We have a range of flat panel with the foils, huge range of colours to match the most common colours in the market, the anthracite, the chartwells that everyone's using, but also to match the wood deck and the alu deck and the expanded wood deck and alu deck ranges that are now coming into the market. And then we have two probably very unique products. We do a raised and fielded panel, which is a very traditional timber look, and we have a Belection mould, which is a product that's been taken from timber, which is basically moulding that goes over the sash or the transom to connect to the panel, to give that real classic timber look, and it looks absolutely fantastic with these wood deck finishes. So we have developed quite a wide range of components that we are fabricating here at our site in Manchester, custom sized. So as Ian said, all the fabricator needs to do is send us the panel size or the aperture size. We can supply everything made to order, delivered, a package which may include panel, Belection mould and glass. We tried to make it very simple for the fabricators to make these stunning doors.
So, Ian, how will that package benefit your customers?
I can only really relate to how it's been received so far of the people I've shown it. I mean, we were at Glazing Summit recently, and the product was received exceptionally well. A very, very busy stand with a lot of people coming, wanting to understand how the product goes together, how it works, how they can get hold of it. And also next year, when we're at Fit Show, this will form a big part of the exhibition that we'll have up there, yeah.
So, Guy, as part of the collaboration, you were there at the summit as well. Did you get the same feedback as Ian?
I think we had very, very positive feedback on the products. At the Glazing Summit, we were one of the busier stands there. A lot of people wanting to understand what we're doing, never seen anything like it before. We had launched the product 4 or 5 weeks earlier at our open day in September. We'd had 100 plus customers in, all of them very, very positive about the product. And I know that Aluplast will be showing next year at Fit. If anyone wants to see it in the interim, it's only 6 months away, but those people who are desperate to see it now, we still have a showroom set up in Manchester showing the engineered doors. We have various finishes, various door styles with the Aluplast product, and I think that we're going to be getting some doors in quite quickly into Aluplast facility down in Tewkesbury as a second show site. It is a product that you need to see to appreciate just how incredible it is.
Yeah.
So, Ian, what have you got installed at Tewkesbury?
Apart from Tewkesbury at the main showroom there, we're pushing these product into our customers' showrooms now, so the installers can go direct to a local showroom and see the product on display. We have a number of slots booked already in customer showrooms, and that's only going to grow.
So that's interesting. Installers and fabricators are making space for these doors in their showrooms.
Very much so. As I say, how exciting is this? When was the last innovation you saw in a PVC door? The product looks fantastic. The foil finishes are outstanding. It's very, very different. And you look at the door and you think, I'm going to pay an awful lot of money for this. But when you consider it's going to be a comparable price just to a good composite, this product's going to go far.
So, Ian, are you supporting your customers with marketing?
Yeah, I think that's one for Guy to answer.
Yeah, we've a lot of experience in marketing to the door industry, historically in composite doors. We see the engineered doors having to be sold or marketed in a similar kind of way. Customers need to choose their style, choose their colour, choose their decorative glass, choose their add-ons, embellishments, whatever you want to call them, from engineered door components, and then choose our hardware options. The installers need a very straightforward marketing package to be able to sell these kind of doors. That was a success in composites. It was very clear pathway from I'm interested in the door to having your finished door. The same will be happening with engineered doors. We have brochures in production at the moment. We've been working with the software companies to be able to put it onto the visualizer packages. And we need to make it as easy as possible for the installer to be able to sell the product. Doing that, we're working with Ian's fabricators to help them develop our package.
Sounds like you've done quite a lot of work there, Guy, especially, you're covering all bases. Why?
There's so much product available in the market now. The installers are being offered all sorts of solutions that they can take to the consumer. Whether it's aluminium, composite doors, now engineered doors. We have to make the product a relatively simple sell for the installer. Otherwise, they won't engage with the product. And we've seen it, like I said, in the composite door market. One of the reasons it's been so successful for the last 20 years is it has been made very, very simple for the installer to sell the product. The brochures are there, the software is there, it's in showrooms, it's an easy message to pass on to the consumer. We've seen we have to do the same with the engineered doors products.
Sounds like the only thing left to do is sit on the sofas and sell them.
Exactly. I think we've done our part in creating the product. Aluplast have done, I think we're developing in new colours, a lot of the technical aspects around the product. The fabricators are taking the product on board and really, really keen to get going with it. And we've given installers what they need. I suppose now it's ultimately the success of the product will come down to how successful installers are at selling it. And there is enough margin in the product to make it attractive for the installer to, when he's sat on the sofa, to say, I'm going to choose an engineered door over an aluminium door or a composite door.
Yeah, they sell themselves, don't they? That's what I would say. I think the important thing is that we're giving the installers a product that's totally unique. And if you want to get margin in this industry, you've got to have something unique that you can't get anywhere else. And here it is.